Hey guys, David with TrekBox and M5 Precision. I wanted to give a little bit of information for the people who are looking to help with this face shield project, but they're not in the Sacramento area. And you know, in the last video I did a little blurb about, hey, you know, find a local CNC shop, have them contact me. Well, you know, it's been brought to my attention that maybe not everybody knows what that really means. So CNC, Nora Charles. Sorry, a little noisy here. Means computer numerical control. So essentially, it can be any machine that is controlled by a computer. So now, that doesn't mean that any CNC machine will work for this application. So what you're going to try and find to cut these face shields out is a CNC router, CNC laser, CNC plotter is another one. They cut like vinyl and stuff. So what you're going to be looking for is a local sign shop, cabinet shop that might have a CNC router, laser shop, or even, you know, like I say, a guy in his garage who has one. So there's a lot of different types of machines, but anything with a flat bed that can cut through two-dimensional material, essentially flat material, will cut this stuff. The plastic is really thin. It's, you know, it's not hard to cut. You can cut it with scissors. It just, you know, you wouldn't be very effective at producing mass quantities. So what we have here is a router, and I'm going to try and flip this camera around here if you give me a second. So this is a CNC router. The table on this one is 5 feet wide by 10 feet long, so we can get quite a few face shields out of each run of the machine. Now, the cutting part of this is it's a spindle. Let's get it up close here. So essentially what it is a giant router with a circular bit on the bottom here, and it just rotates, and that cuts through the material. So that is what we have, but it's not the only way to skin this cat. Sorry, that end part was a little loud there. So we put together a new email. You can email us at faceshields@trekbox.com, TREKBOXX, and we're going to consolidate all our email about this project in there. So I appreciate it, and we'll give you an update when we can. Thanks.